If you have small, hooded, monolid eyes and doing a winged eyeliner has been a challenge for you, then let me show you how to get this lifted look without having to do a winged eyeliner. Hi, my name is Gold and I'm a professional makeup artist based in the Twin Cities in Minnesota. We're going to start off with a fluffy blending brush. This is the Sigma E33 brush. Quick tip, if you're a beginner, make sure you hold the middle of the handle instead of close to the front of the handle. By doing that, you will subconsciously put too much pressure on the brush. When you place your hand in the middle, then you'll apply lighter pressure to the brush like this. When you want to create a lift to your downturn eyes, we're going to create a line going this way and then another line going that way. And for that, I'm using the Truffle eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors. I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow which closely resembles the natural shadows on our face. And today I'm using this medium brown shadow. Now I'm holding the brush perpendicular like this because I'm just using the very tip of the brush. And then starting from the highest point of my eyes, I'm creating a horizontal line going outward like this. And then imagining a line from the tip of my nose to the end of my brows. I'm creating another line like this and connecting the two. Can you already see the triangle shape that we created? And can you also see that lifting effect that it gives? Now I'm going to hold the brush at an angle, and by doing this, we're going to be using the side of the brush. This helps with the blending. Use light tapping motions when you blend, as well as light sweeping motions like this. Imagine tapping someone on the shoulder. Use that same light pressure when you blend. I'm holding my brush at an angle and lightly sweeping back and forth to blend out those harsh lines. Have patience with yourself and be kind. Blending is a technique that will get better the more you practice and do it. It's subtle, but do you see the before and after? It makes a difference. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, creating those two lines, and then blending out the eyeshadow. And if you mess up, you can just use your finger to clean up the outer corners. Concealer and foundation also works. Next, I'm using this lighter brown eyeshadow color, and using the same brush, I'm wiping off my brush clean and going into that light brown eyeshadow color and applying that to the inner part of my eyelid. Now I'm just going to quickly apply mascara onto my lashes and curl them. If you want to see a full tutorial, I'll have the video linked in the description box below. Now you can leave this the way it is, but because my lashes are barely visible, I'm going to be using false lashes. This is the Petite Club in the style Lily, and here's what it looks like with the lashes on. The full strip band helps to lift my downturn hooded eyes. You can also use lash clusters, but because my eyelids are so downturned and heavy at the outer corner that the lash clusters will just droop down. For the lower lash line, you can leave it the way it is, but I personally like to line it. So I'm taking my brown gel pencil and lining just the outer third, and then taking my Sigma E05 eyeliner brush, I'm going to smudge that line and stopping halfway because we want to keep the inner part of our eye nice and bright to make the eyes appear bigger. And I'm just repeating the same step on the other eye. And for the lips, I'm using this lip oil from Dose of Colors in the color Pretty Cute. We're just going to quickly swipe that on to give a natural, subtle, juicy pout. Time to let down the hair and see what this looks like. You see how the eyeshadow creates a natural, subtle lift to the eyes? And when I blink, even though there's no eyeliner, it still looks very natural. The lashes look okay if I lift my eyes, but the moment I start relaxing and my eyelids come down, it's really hooded. It looks really weird. You see on that left side. So I've decided to take off these lashes and try on a different style. This one is also from the Petite Club called Shy. I'm going to quickly put that on and see what it looks like. And there you go. I think I like these better. They look a little more subtle, but they still look very natural. I could probably add some lash clusters to the outer corners here to make it more dramatic, but I'm not going to since we're going for a more subtle natural look. Here's what it looks like up close and when I look down. And then again, the view from this angle and the view from this angle. So what do you think? Do you like it? Would you give it a try? If you do, make sure to give yourself some grace. Practice, practice, practice. If it's not perfect, it's okay. Just laugh it off. It's just makeup. You can wash it off and try again the next day. Life is too short. Do things that'll make you happy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!